So here are the ingredients to make this Easter bun. I have my flour here, my raisins, different color, malt, spice, my sugar, butter, and over here I have my oil, browning, molasses, honey, a little jam, and all of these I'm going to put together. Butter, yes, I have baking powder right here, and a little salt to give a little taste. Okay, so let's go into the making of this Easter bun. Okay, so right here we have the dry ingredients, and we're going to combine them. In this bowl I have the spice. I have some allspice, nutmeg, cinnamon, and some ginger. Oh yes, so I'm going to combine all these in the flour. I have 3 cups of flour in here. Okay, and then 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and this is all-purpose flour. So 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix all of these dry ingredients. Give it a mix. Mix everything in. Okay, so now we're going to do the liquid portion of the ingredients. I've mixed the dried ingredients already. I think I'm going to pour it in a bigger container so I can mix it a little more. So here I have malt. This is a non-alcoholic. No alcohol will be in this bun. So I'm using malt. So I have 3 bottles of malt. This is a 7 fluid ounce. So in this bowl I pour out the malt. 3 bottles here with the liquid. Right. And to this I have my fruits and cherries right here. So I have mixed fruits, golden raisin, brown raisin, and cherries. Okay, so I'm pour this in. This I'm going to add a cup of oil, cooking oil. A cup of cooking oil in here. I have 1/4 cup of honey. I have a cup of browning. And 1/2 cup of molasses. And all of these in here. And we're going to mix. I also have some jam, strawberry jam. It's going to be delicious, juicy and moist. And to this I have 1 cup of sugar. brown sugar, light brown sugar also. This is 3/4 stick of butter. And add all of this in here. Color. Yeah. I'm gonna add this to the stove, and so the butter can melt for a few minutes. Okay, so the mixture is now cooled. The butter has melted, and so now I'm going to add the dry ingredients into the mixture so we can get our bun in the oven. And you're going to set your oven at 250 degrees, and you're going to bake for about 1 hour. All right. So I'm going to the mixture. I'm going to add some vanilla, a tablespoon of vanilla. Okay. And also I have some almond essence. I'm going to add also a tablespoon. The oven yet, so a tablespoon. Alright, smelling so good. And we're going to add our dry ingredients. A whisk. Smelling the ginger in the mixture, the allspice, oh, the nutmeg, the cinnamon, smelling so good. Mix this in. This is what it looks like so far. This mixture is right. Yes. So we're going to grease our baking pans and put it in the oven at 350 degrees, and bake for an hour. Okay. So I'm going to grease my baking pan with some butter. Put them off it. top of it. Make it look beautiful, attractive, pretty, mouth-watering. Bite into the bun, you're supposed to bite into the fruits. That's what I say. So you're eating the bun, you're not just eating both raisins, cherries, everything in the bun. Not just a plain bun. Bun with fruits. Enough. So we're going to put this in the oven and then we'll see the finished products later. Okay, and here goes the Easter bun. Look at it. Yay! All we need is the cheese. Okay, so to top it off, I'm going to put a little glaze on it, made from honey and butter, melted butter and honey, and just brush it over it. Look at that. Look at that. Easter bun. Yay. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Who needs a slice? Who is ready for a slice? Okay, I'm gonna just put this glaze on and let it stay for a while. Then I'm going to get my cheese to go with it. It looks so yummy. Look there. So delicious. Mouth watering. Oh yes, I know somebody mouth is dripping right now for a piece of this. Yes, Easter bun. Yes, spice bun. Bun with lots of fruits, cherries and raisins and mixed fruits. Yeah. Okay. Okay guys, here is the Easter bun and cheese. Look at it. Who is ready for a piece of it? Wow, look at it. It is so moist. It is so soft. And delicious. I taste this already. Yeah. So, happy Easter to you. And I hope you're enjoying your Easter bun and cheese wherever you are. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and enjoy the video. Remember, Jesus is the reason for the season.